Jungle.
This is the Britas Vibes, coming you live right now in Academic Senior High School of the City of Maykawayan. I'm your reporter, Aaron Nerha, and we're here in Ashcombe to interview a student athlete that currently preparing for the upcoming City Meet 2025 that will held in Banga Sports Complex. So now, let's go. Follow. Excuse me, sir. Can you give some sort of their timeline? I have a question for you. The first question is, what is your preparation for the upcoming City Meet 2025 that will held in Banga Sports Complex?
Preparing talaga ginagawa namin is nagpapalakas ng katawan ng mga teammates ko, nag-jogging kami, gumagawa kami ng play para namin yung kalaban. Tapos sa defense naman, para namin madidependa kami, hindi lang yung offense. Kailangan din namin yung offense.
And my second question for you is, what are the difference between being a student athlete to a normal student?
Kung student athlete, may hirap. Kasi pag sasabayin mo, meron ng pressure sa pagiging student kasi dito sa high school, aral talaga. Walang pahinga. Kasi kasabayan mo pa ng maging athlete ka. Diba? Matatambakan ka, ito na yung time. Kailangan mo gawin yun para hindi ka mabagsak. Mahirap, pero kaya naman.
And our last question for you is, what advice and tips can you give to a student athlete right now that currently watching you?
Tuloy-tuloy lang. Maraming pressure, maraming problema. Pero gawin mo lang yung mga time management, management. Basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang, huwag kang hinto. Pagsabayin mo kaya, disiplina. Mahalaga.
So thank you for your time, sir. Good luck for the upcoming City Meet 2025 that will held in Banga Sports Complex. And now, we interview Sam Rasho, a student athlete that currently playing for the 5v5 basketball team.